For this look, I am using Holo Taco's Long Lasting Base, Holo Taco's See Y'all Later Chai, Color Club's AN13 Warhol, Color Club's AN39 Sweet as Sugarcane, Holo Taco's One Coat Black, Holo Taco's Super Glossy Taco, and Holo Taco's Matte Taco. Using Holo Taco's long-lasting base, we start by applying a base coat. After our base coat, we apply the base color, for which I am using Holo Taco's See Y'all Later Chai. It will be opaque in 1 to 2 coats. Now we use a striping brush to apply our accent lines. The first color I'm doing is using Color Club's AN13 Warhol, a bright neon pink. For the second accent line, I'm using Holo Taco's One Coat Black, and I'm placing it in the opposite orientation as the pink accent line. To ensure I don't smudge the pink line, I have waited for it to dry completely before adding this black one. Once the black accent line has dried, I'm adding the final accent line using Color Club's AN39 Sweet as Sugarcane. I'm placing this one parallel to the pink accent line, so now black goes over pink and orange goes over black for a bit of visual interest. As an added bonus, you can actually see the pink and the orange lines glow under a blacklight. To seal the manicure, I'm applying a glossy top coat. Here, I am using Holo Taco's Super Glossy Taco, but as this is no longer available, you'll use their Glossy Taco instead. They were essentially the same thing, and both are quick dry top coats. Finally, to get the matte look, you apply a matte top coat at the very end. I am using Holo Taco's Matte Taco for this. I've provided a sped up time lapse so you can watch the mattifying magic happen before your very eyes. Voila! Enjoy your manicure!